I know. I thought
Have you been told that before?
I have gotten that and some other lady that I don't know who it is, but thank you.
You're totally in.
Who's the other lady?
What?
Who's the other lady?
Oh, sorry.
The lady off of, like, I don't know, she's like off the Avengers or something. The one that doesn't do anything, but she's just there. Apparently,
oh, she like is in a corporate kind of thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
I don't know who it is.
Alrighty. Okay. That's already recording, so we're ready to go.
Perfect. I'll read this time.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, just let me know when you guys are all ready.
I'm ready.
Ready.
All right. While you're required to work, oh, we already know that part. Okay. When calculating anything, please remember to round to 3 decimal places. Find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is the cool thing equals 50 and n equals 25. So, let me find my calculator.
It's 16.45.
Is that what everybody else got?
16.45.
Yep.
Okay, that's what I got. All right, next question. Which of the following statements is true? Okay, does someone want to remind me what the little O stands for?
Sigma.
Sigma.
Thank you. Sigma squared is an interval estimator of x. X is a point estimate of u. U is a point estimator of x. And sigma is an interval estimator of sigma squared.
That's B, the point estimator.
Mm-hmm.
Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for the GMAT score. She knows that standard deviation, sigma, equals 113. She collects a simple random sample of size n equals 64 and computes x to equal 526. Use this information for the next 6 questions. What is the point estimate for the true GMAT score?
And that's 526.
Because that's right there.
Yeah.
What is the margin of error for the 95th percent confidence interval for the true GMAT score?
That's 27.685.
Number 7, what is the lower limit of this confidence interval? Round to 3 decimal places.
The lower is 498.315. And the upper is 498.315.
Okay, making sure it's saying.
And then the upper is 553.685.
All right, question 9. What would happen to the width of a confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size?
If it increases, then it
Smaller.
decreases.
Yeah.
So C, yeah, decrease.
And what would happen to the width of confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval?
That increases.
Increase, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it increases, yeah.
All right, question 11. Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is sigma equals 400 hours. They want a 95th percent confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? Round up to the nearest whole number.
That's 246.
Next question. The mean salary of actuaries is U equals 100,000, and the standard deviation is sigma equals 36,730. To know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with level of significance, and it equals 0.05. And then we have HO equals 100,000, and HA does not equal 100,000. You collect a simple random sample of N equals 36 women's salary and find that X equals 111,000. Use this information for the next 3 questions. What is the lower limit of this 95% confidence interval? Round to the nearest whole number.
That one is 99002.
99,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
99,002. 99002.
Question 13. What is the upper limit of this 95th percentile or 95th% confidence interval? Round to the nearest whole number.
That one's 122,998.
Question 14. Does anyone have any questions on any? No? We're good? Perfect. 14. There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are: simple random sample is drawn from the population, sigma is known, X is normally distributed, or all the above.
It's all of the
All
above.
of the above.
Yeah.
And that is it. I will submit mine. Let's see. Maybe. All right, we got 100%.
Woohoo!
Very nice.
Awesome.
I think that is the fastest we've ever done a quiz.
We don't mess
Fastest we've
around.
ever got
Yeah,
one.
we're basically professionals now.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
on to number 11.
No, I might have a lot more questions on this one.
On 11.
Yeah.
Oh. Unfortunately, that's awful.
I thought that was the hardest one yet.
What was the hardest one yet?
11.
Yeah,
That chapter was brutal.
I was reading it today and I was like, well, that's cool.
Did you feel like you were reading Spanish? Like it just.
I honestly was like, maybe I need to rethink my major. Do something.
What are you going into?
I'm an exercise physiology major, but this is a required course for me.
Well,
So,
is it one that you just have to just take this one and then you're good?
yeah, I just have to take this one and then I'm good. Because it's more for like, I don't know, I get it for like medical field and stuff. So.
No, it doesn't apply there either.
Oh, good.